Hello student, welcome to my class. In the last class we are discussing what? The solving of linear equation by elimination method. Some more question we like to continue of that method, but that elimination method. Sometimes you will have the variable in the denominator. Then how to solve that one? One question from there we like to discuss. See the question first. Suppose you are having a question that is 3 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 2, and second equation you are having 9 by x plus y minus 4 by x minus y equal to 1. Then how to solve this equation? Here you are having the denominator, it may be x, here it is having x plus y, x minus y, like that. So first of all you have to express that this one into the simplest form or the standard form. How can we do that one? What's the denominator you are having with the variable, that is x plus y, x minus 1. So what we'll do, put denominator you are having, that's why 1 by x plus y equal to u, and 1 by another one, x minus y equal to another, other than x, y, any other variables you can take, u, v, p, q, anything you can take. Then we get what? 3 by that's one you are having, 1 by x plus y equal to u, so it is coming 3u plus 2 by this means it will be 2v equal to 2, and here it is coming 9u minus 4v equal to 1. Suppose you have given this one, if you have given 1, 2, then 3, 4, otherwise that's one you have given 1, 2. Now to solve. So to solve this equation, what to be done? This to be multiplied by 9 and this to be multiplied by 3. Otherwise, it will be 9 is to 3. Simplest form you can say. 9 is to 3 means it will be multiplied by 3 and that will be multiplied by 1. Your purpose is what? By multiplying you will get the same value, same number. So that's why by 9 3 you can multiply, or more simple form you can multiply by 3, this is multiplied by 1. So we'll write that one. Equation 1 is multiplied by 3 and 2 by 1, and then what we are getting? 339u plus 6v equal to 3 to 6. Similarly by 1 if you do, 9u minus 4v equal to 1. So what do you have? Same sign you are having u, same number, so you have to do what? Subtract, means change the sign. 6v plus 4v, ultimately it is coming 10v. 6 minus 1, 5. So you are getting v equal to 1 by 2. V equal to 1 by 2. Then substitute v equal to 1 by 2 in anywhere. 1, 2, anywhere you can put. Suppose you are writing 1, so put 1. So you are getting 3u plus 2v means 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 2. So what you are getting? 1. So that's 1 will go that side. So 3u equal to 2 minus 1, or that is 1. 1 by 3. So what you are getting? Now u equal to 1 by 3 and v equal to 1 by 2. That is also solution. But that is not our required solution. Why? Because my question is given in terms of xy. So your value should come, you will find the value of x and y. So now again we will go, after that I am writing this side, u equal to 1 by 3, and that is equal to, we know, x plus y equal to 1 by 3. So from there what you are getting? If you take the reciprocal both sides, x plus y equal to 3. Suppose you have given, that is equation number 3. Similarly you are having v equal to, what do you have? 1 by x minus y, and that is equal to, you got 1 by 2. So from there you are getting x minus y equal to 2. That is equation 4. Again these two to be find out, or you have to solve these two equations. So what you can do, simply x plus y, x minus y, same thing you are having. So you can add, you can subtract, then you can eliminate one of the variable. So what it can be? If we do the sum 3 and 4, then what you will get? X plus y equal to 3, x minus y equal to 2. Add them, that ultimately 2x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 2. Similarly, if you put these values, then you will get y equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, 6 minus 5, so 1 by 2. This is our required solution. X equal to this one, y equal to that one. So this is the simple form. When you will have the variable in the denominator, so 1 by that one you will suppose and you will do that one. Okay. Next, one more question I like to do. That is particular type of question, and that is very important type of information you have. That's you must remember. That type of conditions. For example, one question if we take, first see the question, then how to solve by elimination method. One question, suppose any question you can take. Suppose you are having 71x plus 37y equal to 253 and 37x plus 71y equal to 287. Suppose this is 1, it is 2. It is the simple form of equation we are having, standard form it is also having. So what's the problem? You can do this one by multiplying 37, this is by multiplying 71. So you can get that one, you will get the answer also. But if we do this one multiplication by 37, see, 71 is multiplied by 37, 37 is multiplied by 37, 253 by multiplied by 37. Again this one by 71, it is by 71, again that is by 71, again that one by 71. So 6 huge multiplication you have to do. That is very long calculation, time taken calculation, and possibility you are having the mistakes also there. So for this type of question, if you have some others, we also are having alternate method. What do you have? That's one. What this one? See the question. Question पहले देखो. Ax plus by plus c you are having. But one very important information is having there. See here you are having 71. There you are having also 71. Here you are having 37. Here second equation you are having 37. So what type of things are having there? That's why I have written note there. If you have this type of equations, means what? The coefficients of x and y are interchanging. If the coefficient of x and y interchanged, then directly we will not do. A simple way we will have first number add these two equations and second condition subtract these two equations. Then you will get the simple form. Now solution, if you say add these two equations you are saying. So these conditions should be remembered. If the coefficients of the x and y are interchanged, then what we will do? You will add these two equations first case, and second case you will subtract these two equations. Then what it will be? If you add these two equations, see directly we are doing 71 plus 37. What you are getting? 718, 3710, 108x. 37 plus 71 same thing, 108y. And this side 7 and 3 10 0 carry 1, 9 5 14 4 carry 1, 3 to 5. So it is coming 540. See, here you are having 108x, 108y. So you can get common 108. So it will be x plus y 540. What the simple form? By 108 it will be cancelled. So it will come x plus y equal to 5. From these two equations, a new equation has arrived. Simple equation. That is, suppose you have given third one. And next one, if you subtract these two equations, 71x plus 37y equal to you are having 253, 37x plus 71y equal to you are having 287. If you subtract these two, then what it will come? I think 34x. Here also same thing 34, but that is minus 34x. And if you subtract, this is also larger, it will come minus 34. If you take common 34, so x minus y is equal to minus 34. It is cancelled, so it is second equation you are getting, x minus y equal to minus 1. Again these two equations solve. Simply देखो x plus y, x minus y, if you add these two equations, y plus y minus y will be cancelled. Ultimately you are getting 2x equal to 5 minus 1, 4, or x equal to 2. And after getting x equal to 2, then you can do what? Put here x equal to 2, so you will get 2 plus y is equal to 5 from 3 you are getting. So ultimately y equal to 3. So y equal to 3 and x equal to 2 is the solution of the equation. So in this way, that's whole the exercise, all the types of question we have discussed. So you can complete that exercise by elimination method. That is the exercise 3b. Exercise 3b of your book, it will be completed by this method. Okay, thank you.